Now you can easily download receipts of bill payments for Airtel connection via the Airtel Thanks app. Here's how. Open the Airtel Thanks app. Get on the Manage home page. Click on the Services card. Here you can select the service for which you wish to download the payment receipt. Scroll down to Shortcuts and tap on More to expand options. Now tap on View Transactions and tap on View Receipt. Payment receipt page will open where you can check the payment date, time, account number, transaction reference and more. In order to download the receipt, tap on the Download button at the bottom left corner of the page. Tap on Open to view the downloaded payment receipt. Important note for Airtel Black customers. To find the payment receipt, select the service card for which the payment has been made and by following the process as outlined. Our team works round the clock to provide solutions to all your problems. Get immediate assistance by tapping on the Help option on the home screen and clicking on Chat Now. Airtel cares. We are here to help.